Oh shit.
What man? What man? What do you want, bro?
I do great checkouts. That shit was so funny.
Screen shaking, bro.
Wait, Joe, you were watching that, right?
What the?
Whenever someone was kept spawn killing Tommy
Dude,
in
yeah,
the
bro,
warm up.
That shit was hilarious, bro. You are awful. That was hilarious. But
That-
Tommy literally said, "Alright, bro." And just stop
He literally
playing,
said,
stop
"Alright,
smoking
bro,"
cigarettes,
and then he
bro.
just started smoking and he's like chalked it. Are we getting pack loss? Oh yeah, never mind.
Where is my bullet right?
I thought I was getting pack loss again. I was
So
tweaking
awful.
for
I
a second.
fucking hate the pistol.
There's a guy in our spawn, by the way.
Wait, not.
Or was. Oh, he's on our green
Bro,
top.
why
He's
am I
top
looking
heli.
for my spawn, bro? Why am I looking for my spawn, bro? Why did I look for it? I died because of it. I just lying to me, bro. What's wrong with you, bro? Stop fucking lying.
Bottom heli. Dead. Another one bottom heli on me. On a weak. Fiend. Nice. Yo, one's top heli or something. What the? Dead. Top heli again?
One top alley, one mid windows.
There's
Oh my
always
God.
top heli. No? Nice. Out left windows. One shot. I ran out of ammo. One shot left street. Dang.
Sorry, you are awful.
Top heli again. Channeling off, I think. Right side, maybe. Bottom blue. Weak. One's top heli again. Another one running up top heli. I'm not even kidding. One's bottom blue too.
Whoa, bro, they're everywhere, bro.
Yeah, these guys literally love top heli. I'm
One
not even
bottom blue,
kidding.
Top heli, top propane. They're on top of everything, bro.
Bro, these guys are. I can probably get on B, but I'm probably gonna die. I'm not gonna lie. Yep. I tried.
I tried to.
I tried, bro. Honestly. Hey, what are you saying, bro?
Alright, can you lock in, bro?
I've been locked in, bro.
I don't know, bro. I don't think you are, bro.
I just dropped. I had to drop 40 on 70 ping.
Yeah, I dropped 40 with you. We got the same amount of kills.
That's just a lie.
Now it's a higher ping. I don't know, bro. Like this.
Underground dead. Probably
Like,
dead.
he's one shot long,
B
bro.
street, B street. Where'd he go?
Alright, long. Somewhere. Oh, figure it out. Figure it out, Sherlock.
Nading A.
He's underground, underground, underground. Yo! He saw me, bro. He's cheating. Jeez. It's over.
Where'd he go?
He's underground.
Go their side?
He's probably the guy on point. If I had to guess.
Ivan dead.
If I had to guess.
Middle, one shot on sack corner.
Wow,
He
what
ran.
is it, two?
He ran to double gins. That's him. One more. Nice. On A. Nading him off A. He should be dead.
Hitting him off it, too.
He's on heli stairs dead.
Bro, this guy's cheating, bro.
Ew. Oh, he actually might be Ivan. Like, never mind. He's not cheating.
No, he's not cheating, bro. Stop playing. Bro, I can't shoot this guy.
He team killed. Like, good one, moron. I think there's one top heli right now, Joe.
Pretty definitely stops.
One's on B. Ivan dead. Top. Is he top propane?
You went R-side, you went underground?
Wait, one's our mid windows. Oh my god, this guy's getting worldied.
Sure,
Oh my
yeah,
god, our
he's
teammate
underground.
just got world started in our spawn. Dead. Wait, 2A side. Top heli. Oh, dude.
Oh my god.
Ivan on A. Ivan on A. Nice. One more on A. Slam him. Slam him.
Thank you.
Slam him.
I fucking hate the pistol, bro. Again,
I don't see anything B street. They could be underground going to B though. I have our.
Oh my god.
He's on B, but I don't know where from.
Probably they're hopping.
Oh, he's our side. What the fuck?
They're hopping, bro.
I need help.
Right, mid to B, mid to B.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. I'm nading B. What's our mid windows, Joe?
Windows, that's grenade though.
Naded him on.
Okay.
Oh, that's just unlucky. Oh god, I'm doing the hop up. I should be able to kill him.
Do the Abezy. Abezy.
I got him.
Wonder why it's not the Abezy.
Other one there.
I'll tell you.
What's top heli?
I stun him, I told you.
Where's the other
Stand
guy?
down, mid car. I blew.
Hey, he's probably gonna be on A.
I have it, I have it.
Oh
Really
shit,
can't
he's
be
on B.
Bro.
Thank God, bro. Thank God.
Bro.
Why are you
You said I'm-
broing?
I have A, bro.
Why are you broing me, bro?
Bro, I just told you I had A.
Why are you broing me, bro?
Bro, like listen, bro. Listen, bro.
I've been, bro. I've been.
I've been. One man.
Say we all just run it. Yeah.
Oh, well, there's someone.
Joe just jumped down right in front of all of them. Like, good one, bro.
Wait, I didn't know. I thought that was my teammate. I was like, what the fuck are you doing? I thought that was my teammate.
On B.
Whoa.
Where's he at on B, Joe? I'm dead.
Wait.
This guy hit by the meanest stun of all time.
Everything, bro. Was he?
Green tarp. And I'm
Green
dead.
tarp.
Top heli. Guy green tarp should be dead.
He's in left side. Green tarp.
He's not dead.
Top telling, bro. He's on the boxing. He's on the boxing side. Oh. Yo, we are getting hot. I'm gonna pull an AR, bro.
Top heli still. Our side top heli. Nice.
There's a spell, bro.
Middle window is dead.
Hit him.
Wait, he's on top of the map, Joe. You kill him?
Top of the map. Where?
You kill the guy middle?
Yeah.
Oh, these guys love going.
Remember.
Top of B?
Bro! Did I stop getting team killed, man?
Come on, B, bro. Middle window is going right, dead. My God, I'm not missing. Hold on. Left window is dead. Oh! Oh! Fuck. Nutted everywhere. Mid windows again. Another one, mid windows. Left windows.
I'm cheating.
Left windows dead.
I'm not kidding. I'm cheating.
I'm cheating too. Hold on.
A-check. Weak. I'm
Cheating.
side.
Right side, A-check again, weak.
Teammate. Dead.
Another one, right side,
I'm
A-check. They're
cheating.
spawning there. Two there. I got one. Ivan dead.
Left. Dead. Left point.
Hold on, one more on me. One more on me. Dead.
He's on the
One
ground.
more on me. One more on me.
Looking on the ground.
He's on me, fiend.
He's on
Dead.
right, bro.
One more.
Mid windows. He went wood. A-check. One teammate. Big kill teammate.
Nading over. Another one, A-shack, probably. One A.
Oh! Sorry. Holy man.
We actually just took over. We actually just took over right there. Holy sh.
Bro, like holy man. Holy fuck, bro. I actually just didn't die. Fucking running around. Dude, they were just dude, that was dopamine. See how fun rank can be when I'm not playing a cheater? You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Bro, why are we wearing 3 faces, bro? What the hell's going on here?
No, they're on A. They're playing A. He's dead. One more on A, I think left corner maybe. He's playing bottom blue. Underground. Dead.
On me.
On B.
Oh
Go.
my god. Found the pistol, bro. Don't give a fuck.
Hold on, I'm getting the right windows. Right windows, I'm holding it. Give you right windows, I'm holding it. It was running at their
Okay,
spawn.
where's my headfire? Where's my headfire? Where's my headfire?
I have right
Not
windows,
there.
all good.
Yoo-hoo! Headfire!
Underground, I ran out of ammo. I didn't know I was low on ammo.
Which one, man? Shit. Oh, what shit on
I set him on B. Made it. I have a trophy on it, unfortunately.
I'm sure getting off you, bro.
On B, Momo dead. More on B, I
There's
think.
one more on B. There's 2 on B. 2 on B. One our side. Our side. Their side. Our side. They're both our side now. One more underground. One
Underground dead.
Red hole. Nice. One of the left windows. Left windows. Dead. More in the mid windows.
I'm getting right windows, they're trying to get right.
Heard you.
Underground on me, spawn here, what the f?
Kill him then. Kill him, man. Nice shot.
Underground, I get that! My God, Jerry. I'm running at their spawn, guess why not? Oh,
That's
I
why
pulled a Joe.
Uh-huh.
That's good, Kieran. Nothing right windows, they're all going left.
I'm not going. I'm trying to play for. I'm playing for. Yo, their whole roster's killing me. me, man!
Oh! I want mid windows.
Kill me! Kill me!
Rough first game for show.
What
Fatty.
the fuck?
Fatty, I can't. Fatty. Fatty, what are
Oh.
you doing, bro?
Bro,
That's some good caps, though. No, you have some good caps, though. I mean, I
bro,
Maybe-
not everything, but like
More
more
than
than Abezy, yeah. I mean,
How
more
do
than
you
not
get
more than
shit?
Abezy.
like
Like,
BZ baits everyone, bro. Like, that's not really much.
dude, he's a
Shit, man. How do
masturbator,
you
bro.
get
I know he is.
A master,
Hey,
bro.
Ivan, we're having a conversation. Can you shut the
He's a
f*** down, bro?